Did you know that over 1.7 billion adults worldwide are unbanked, unable to access the basic financial services that many of us take for granted? This is the shocking state of traditional banking today. These institutions, which we trust to keep our money safe, are often out of reach for a significant portion of the global population. And even for those who can access these services, they're often met with high fees, rigid regulations, and lack of control over their own money. The World Bank reports that remittance fees alone can reach up to 7% of the amount sent. That's a hefty price to pay for sending your own money. And let's not forget about the arbitrary control banks have over our funds, with the ability to freeze accounts without any prior notice. But what if there was a way to bypass these outdated systems and take control of your own financial destiny? Enter the world of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. This isn't some passing fad or a bubble waiting to burst. It's a new form of financial exchange that's been gaining traction since its inception in the late 2000s. To understand cryptocurrency, we must first take a step back and look at its roots. It all began in 2008 when an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This was the birth of Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, as the name suggests, is a form of digital or virtual currency. Unlike traditional currencies that we're used to, like the dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies exist entirely online. They're not issued or controlled by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. Instead, they're decentralized, operating on technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers, or nodes. One of the most notable features of cryptocurrencies is their security. Thanks to the use of cryptographic techniques, transactions made with cryptocurrencies are secure and tamper-proof. This means that once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted. This feature alone makes cryptocurrencies a game changer in the world of finance. Another unique feature of cryptocurrencies is the anonymity they provide. While all transactions are transparent and can be traced on the blockchain, the identities of the parties involved are kept private. This can be a significant advantage for those who value privacy in their financial transactions. But it's not just about security and privacy. Cryptocurrencies, with their decentralized nature, have the potential to democratize finance. They can facilitate peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks, and potentially making financial services more accessible to people around the world who are currently unbanked or underbanked. Cryptocurrency is not just a buzzword. It's a financial revolution in the making. Cryptocurrency is not just another form of money. It's a game changer for the world of finance. These digital assets are poised to disrupt the traditional banking system, and here's why. Traditional banking operates on an age-old model, acting as intermediaries in financial transactions. They validate, process, and secure our transactions. But at what cost? High fees, slow transactions, and limited accessibility are just a few of the challenges we face with conventional banking. Enter cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized model, meaning there's no central authority or middleman involved. This drastically reduces the cost of transactions, since there's no need to pay hefty fees to intermediaries. Imagine sending money across the globe in seconds with minimal fees. That's the power of cryptocurrency. But it's not just about faster and cheaper transactions. Cryptocurrency is also about accessibility. There are still billions of people around the world who are unbanked or underbanked, lacking access to basic financial services. Cryptocurrency can bridge this gap, providing a globally accessible financial system that doesn't discriminate based on location or wealth. Now, let's talk about adoption. A recent report showed that the number of cryptocurrency users has doubled in the past 2 years, reaching over 200 million worldwide. That's a clear indication that more and more people are embracing the benefits of cryptocurrency over traditional banking. And it's not just individuals. Companies, big and small, are also starting to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, further legitimizing their use and disrupting the traditional banking sector. In essence, cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a democratization of finance. a revolution that challenges the status quo and brings power back to the people. It's breaking down the barriers erected by traditional banking, making finance more efficient, accessible, and inclusive. In the hands of the people, cryptocurrency has the power to redefine the financial landscape. So are you ready to be part of this financial revolution? Let's take a look at Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Born out of the financial crisis of 2008, Bitcoin has emerged as a force to be reckoned with, challenging the very foundations of our traditional banking systems. Bitcoin's rise to prominence can be attributed to its decentralized nature, which eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. It's a form of digital cash that operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing transactions to take place directly between users without the need for a central authority. In recent years, Bitcoin's popularity has skyrocketed. A study conducted in 2024 revealed that over 100 million people around the world now own Bitcoin, a number that's expected to keep growing at an exponential rate. This clearly underscores Bitcoin's growing dominance over traditional banking, and it's not just individuals who are embracing Bitcoin. A growing number of businesses, from small local stores to multinational corporations, are now accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. This is a testament to Bitcoin's rising influence and the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrency in our everyday lives. Moreover, Bitcoin's value has been on a steady upward trajectory, reaching new all-time highs. This is not only attracting investors looking for high returns, but also challenging the dominance of traditional fiat currencies. But perhaps the most significant indicator of Bitcoin's rising dominance is its increasing recognition by governments and financial institutions around the world. Despite initial resistance, more and more countries are now acknowledging Bitcoin's potential and are taking steps to regulate it, further legitimizing its presence in the financial landscape. Indeed, Bitcoin's rise is not without its challenges. From regulatory hurdles to market volatility, there are certainly obstacles to overcome. But the momentum is undeniable. The rise of Bitcoin is a testament to the growing dissatisfaction with traditional banking and the desire for a more efficient, inclusive, and decentralized financial system. The rise of Bitcoin is just the beginning of a larger shift towards a decentralized financial future. The future of banking might not involve banks at all. A bold statement, yet it's a reality we're inching closer to every day. Imagine a world where financial transactions are not confined to the walls of traditional banking. A world where you are your own bank, where transactions are efficient, secure, and borderless. This is the world that cryptocurrency promises us. Cryptocurrency, by its very nature, is decentralized. This means it operates independently of a central authority, like a bank or government. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers called nodes spread across the globe. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, cutting down transaction times and costs. But it's not just about efficiency, it's about democratizing finance. Just as the printing press spread knowledge and the internet democratized communication, cryptocurrency is leveling the financial playing field. It provides financial access to the unbanked, giving anyone with an internet connection the ability to participate in the global economy. Consider the rise of personal computers in the late 20th century. At first, they were met with skepticism. What need do we have for such devices? Many asked. Yet today, it's hard to imagine a world without them. Cryptocurrency is currently on a similar trajectory. A recent report stated that the number of cryptocurrency wallet users has increased by over tenfold in the last 5 years. This underscores the growing adoption of cryptocurrency over traditional banking. It's not just a fad or a bubble. It's a real, tangible shift in the way we think about and interact with money. The potential benefits of a financial system dominated by cryptocurrencies are immense. We're talking about faster transactions, lower costs, increased financial inclusion, and greater individual control over one's finances. The shift from traditional banking to cryptocurrency may not happen overnight, but the wheels are in motion and the momentum is building. Just as the internet revolutionized communication, cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize banking. The future of finance is here, and it's digital. It's decentralized. It's cryptocurrency. The The world of finance is changing, and it's time to adapt or be left behind. The thunderous rise of cryptocurrency is not just a passing trend, it's a seismic shift, a revolution that is poised to disrupt the established order of traditional banking. The disruptive potential of cryptocurrency lies in its ability to offer a more efficient, secure, and inclusive financial system. Imagine a world where money transfers happen in the blink of an eye, regardless of where you are or who you're sending it to. That's what cryptocurrency brings to the table. It's a world free from the shackles of banking hours, excessive fees, and the need for intermediaries. It's a world where financial transactions are as easy as sending a message on your phone. Traditional banking, with its bureaucracy and outdated systems, is ripe for disruption. Cryptocurrency, with its decentralization, offers a solution that eliminates the need for intermediaries. Banks, with their centralized control, become redundant in the face of this financial innovation. Just look at Bitcoin's rising dominance. Over the past few years, we've seen a steady increase in its adoption over traditional banking. This is not just a random spike, it's a clear sign of a changing financial landscape. The benefits of embracing the cryptocurrency revolution are immense. Not only does it offer a faster, cheaper, and more secure way to transact, but it also opens up the financial system to billions of people around the world who have been excluded from traditional banking. Yes, the world of finance is changing. But change, as they say, is the only constant. The question is, are you ready to adapt? Are you ready to embrace the potential impacts of cryptocurrency on your financial future? The future of finance is here, and it's digital, it's decentralized, it's cryptocurrency. Stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe for the latest updates on cryptocurrency and its disruptive potential in the financial industry. Together, we can be part of the financial revolution.